Guys, welcome to another fantastic video on this series payment processor. So today we have this platform known as Geegpay.Africa. If you're not new to the channel, you already know that I talk about Geegpay a lot. And if you're new, don't worry, this platform is actually a good platform that is actually going to help you, give you bank accounts in US, euros, and and pounds account that you can use. So right here today, I'm not talking about their bank accounts, I'm talking about their cards and how you can use these cards to make payments for any platform you want to do. So right here is very simple. I don't have USD currently, as you can see here. My US balance here is quite very low. So what I did is to top up my Nigerian account. This is my Nigerian. I topped up with 23,000. So I want to convert this fund to USD, and in total everything should amount like 14 USD when I convert it. So look at the rate as of today when I'm making this video. So a dollar is currently going for 1,556 naira. This is what I'll be buying. Then if I add dollar to sell, this is what they'll be buying from me, 1,532. So just a slight difference. Okay, so that's one thing I love about the platform. You can actually top up your Nigerian naira account and then convert to USD in order for you to use the card to pay for anything you want to pay for. So I want to do a domain name renewal in Namecheap, the platform. So I need to pay for the domain. So I just use my Geegpay card there. What I did is to top up my Nigerian naira account. Then I'm going to convert this fund. Now, how do we do this? You're going to see this stuff here that said convert funds. Just click on convert funds. So we're going to convert from naira to US dollars. So we're supposed to change this to US dollars. So I'm just going to select euros, then I'll come back here and select dollars, and then I'll come back here and select naira. So we're converting from naira to US dollars. So we have 23,000 naira on our naira account. So I'll convert everything. The whole 23,000 naira will match to 14.781 dollars. Remember, I still have like 42 cents here, so everything should be okay. So this is exactly what the current rate of my naira looks like if I convert it. So I'm okay. I like it like that. So I'll just click on convert funds, and it's going to ask me am I really sure I want to do this? So I'll just say process. Yes, I'm quite sure I want to do this. So as you can see, with no time, this money, 23,000 naira, has successfully been converted to US dollars, and I just received a notification via email that I've actually done this transaction. So this is actually super fast. So if I go to my dashboard, you're going to see that now I have my dollars right here in my US dollar account. Very simple and straightforward. So right now I can go back to my card section here. If you look at this card now, I just have 22 cents. I don't have any money on the card. So what can I do? I just click on the card, then it's going to bring me here. So I'm going to fund this card right now. If I click on this fund card, as you can see here, this fund card, if I click on it, then I can go ahead to go through the process of funding the card. And what I need to do now is to select this USD. We have 14.8 dollars here, so I just need to fund 14. $14 is okay for me. So one thing you should check out or should be looking out for always is that it's going to take 50 cents for transaction fees. Okay, it's very important to see this. Okay, 50 cents for transaction fees. So the total of everything I'm going to be paying is 14.50 cents, which is okay. I mean, they are helping me with their service, and I have to pay for the service, so it's okay. So right now I just click on fund card, and I need to enter my password, which I've automatically entered, and then I'll click on confirm. So this is actually going to do, as you can see, this is a success message. So it successfully funded our card, and I also got a notification immediately. So if you look at this section now, you see that I have 14.22 cents on the card, which is perfect. So right now I can go ahead to use this card now to pay for anything I want to pay for online. So it's pretty much very simple. Okay, this is exactly how you fund your card. Even when you don't have US dollars, you can actually use a Nigerian account. Just fund your Nigeria account, and you buy USD from the platform. Then you can actually go ahead to fund it and start using. So guys, this is pretty much very simple. And in fact, this thing I just did, you can actually do it on some other platforms like Grail, like what's it called, Get Clever. They actually offer a virtual card which you can use. So this is a very much straightforward and easy, but me personally, I enjoy the one with Geekpay. In fact, as a matter of fact, I also added this Geekpay card to my PayPal. So if I go to PayPal, let me show you. So that way I can even make payments from PayPal directly from my card. I can use my PayPal to pay, but my card will be charged directly. So I don't know if you understand what I mean. That means if you link this, if this account is linked to, if you link your card to PayPal, you can set it on PayPal where if you want to pay for stuff, you just pay with PayPal, but PayPal will then charge your card before that transaction will go through. That means you have to make sure your card is always funded, which is actually what I normally do. So I just want to show you that this card is also linked to PayPal, which is pretty much very easy. These are the easiest, or these are one of the easiest ways I make payments online without having too many stress on different things. So I just want PayPal to load correctly so that I can show you. I can show you everything. So if I go to get paid and get paid now and go to banks and cards, it's going to take us to this section where we can see all our banks and cards that we've added to PayPal. And then so this is the card I added from this is Lead Bank. I got this bank account from Get Clever, I think. Yes, Get Clever. So it's fantastic platform, works perfectly. I can also link the one from Geekpay here. I just don't want to link just now, but I just linked this one from Get Clever. It works perfectly. And this is the bank account. So if you look at this last digit 8602, if I come over to Geekpay and go to this card, you're going to see that we're going to have the same thing, 8602. So this card is exactly the card I linked to my PayPal. I've not confirmed it yet because I want to make a video on how you can actually confirm your card, which is simple. But don't worry, I'm going to make the videos very soon, so make sure you check out the videos when I make them. Okay, so this card works, and yes, I have this card linked to PayPal. So whenever I want to pick payments, for instance, let's say I want to pay for this domain, I can pay with PayPal, and what's going to happen is PayPal is going to charge the card. That means I need to make sure the card is funded, just like the one I just did here is funded right now. So since the card is funded, I can now go ahead to pay with PayPal, and PayPal is going to charge the card, then make sure that the transaction is successful. Or you can actually go ahead to use the card directly and make your payment. But I only use PayPal where, you know, if I need to pay for a platform where I know maybe the card might not be able to function. So what will happen is PayPal will just draw the money into from the card into their platform. So if the platform accepts PayPal, pretty much very easy. So PayPal will just process the payment, whereas they have taken the charge from my card. Now this card, I've literally worked on all the platform I've tried it on. I don't know, there's no platform yet currently now that I've tried the card on that have not actually worked currently. But maybe if I try in the future, if I find out there's some ones that have not worked, I might come and tell you. But this virtual card, I've literally worked on all the platform I've tried it on. I've not tried it on a thousand load of platform, but the little few ones I've tried it on, it works perfectly. And that's why I'm recommending it to you guys. If you're in need of a virtual card and you're looking for a virtual card to use, try this Geekpay card. So I believe this video was helpful. I just showed you how to top up your card easily from Geekpay or from your Naira account to USD. Very much simple. So if you enjoy it, like it, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.